Deeply saddened by the news of the demise of Brother D'Souza, who we all used to very fondly call Dasu. And he was somebody, in fact, who was not just a teacher, but somebody who was more of a friend to most of the students whom he taught. There were many ways in which he used to connect to his students. It was not just about the education that he used to give to us in terms of the content of what was being taught, but he really used to focus a lot on building the character of an individual. And I think that is what made him very, very special. And whoever has studied with him, under him, will never forget him. And I've met students in different parts of the world today who are working in big organizations who studied under him. And I didn't know those people, and then we started talking, and they mentioned about Dasu and how he had a great influence in their life. And that's how he has touched many, many lives. I remember myself also uh, in class 9, he was my class teacher. And for whatever reason, I had a habit of going slightly early to class. So maybe half an hour before I used to be in the class. And thus used to also be there. So we sat down and we actually spoke many times like that, and we really got a lot of time and opportunity to connect. So I really remember those moments, and his demise is a great loss for all of us, and we will all remember him, and more importantly, we'll remember him for the kind of impact that he had in different lives and the characters that he shaped and the legacy, I guess, that he has left behind. So it's a great loss for all of us, and from all the students who studied under Dasu, we want to tell him that we will all miss him.